Stocks are down, crypto are down, inflation at all-time high, and we are in a recession. And I hate to say this, but there is a high possibility we are about to enter stagflation. This is where inflation continues to go up while the economy starts slowing down. The Fed will be meeting later today and tomorrow, and the chances is they're gonna go ahead and increase interest rate with the hope to slow inflation. And to be honest, there's no enough confidence in the market that the Fed will be able to go ahead and put strong measures in order to slow the inflation. Now, as an investor, I'm pretty sure you're having a hard time looking at the stock market or the crypto market and seeing a profit that you have made over years getting erased literally in a heartbeat. This being said, I want everybody to look at what's happening on right now as an opportunity, because guess what? As the stock and crypto continue to trample, you have an opportunity to enter the market at much lower cost. Now, here's my advice for you as an investor. 1. Make sure you have anything between 3 to 5 months of living cost set aside as cash. And yes, I understand this in inflation and probably keeping your money as cash does not sound like the smartest idea. But keep in mind, as the interest rate continue to go up, the chances is you will be able to go ahead and get a higher interest on your money. So this should be just for emergency. Don't touch it under whatever circumstances. The second advice I have for everybody, please don't borrow money in order to invest. I understand a lot of people will get super excited that, hey, I can go ahead and buy Bitcoin maybe for $20,000 or even less, and when it goes back up, I can sell it. But we don't know how long this is going to continue. This might be going on for a few months, it might be going on for a few years. So it's a very risky investment for you to go ahead and borrow money. Last but not least, anything you have above the 3 to 5 months living expense, what I would recommend is actually take that money, consider it as an extra, consider it your investment money, and break it for the next 2 years. So let's take an example. Let's say you have right now in your bank account $34,000. Take $10,000, put it aside, assuming that you will only spend $2,000 every month as an expense. What do you do with the other $24,000? Divide it over the next 2 years. So every month you take, for example, $1,000 and you invested in crypto, stocks, whatever asset you believe it will increase in value. The reason I'm saying this, because this is probably the best way for you to reduce your cost and increase your profitability on the long term. Again, we cannot predict what the market will do in the short term, but we can predict assets that have a really good value will increase in value over the long term. I hope you guys have found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe if you are not already a subscriber, like this video and turn on the notification button. Thank you guys, and stay tuned with Wealthy Panda.